Okay, here we go with the hardest part of the floating floor, the finish piece. So I've already cut this one to length, and I put it exactly over the last row. Then I take my piece that I have cut off the edges that go underneath on both sides, so it's only the amount that's showing for the flooring. Then you bump that right up against the wall. Then you draw a pencil line. Slide the board down. Complete your line. You can actually double check this with your tape measure and say there is 1 7/8. Oops, I already took it away. Oh, no. And there we go. 1 7/8. Part 2 for installation.